In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Wells Fargo to Zelle. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to manage Zelle and use Wells Fargo with it, all that you have to do is download the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app. Inside of the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app, you will be able to find the option to send or receive money with Zelle, and you can manage it at any time. So all that you have to do is open the Wells Fargo mobile app, and in there, sign into your account. Tap Pay and Transfer on the menu at the bottom of your screen, and immediately you will see the Send Money with Zelle option as I've highlighted here, this purple button. When you tap Send Money with Zelle, you can choose between Send Request and scanning a QR code. In there, you also have a lot of preferences that you can go through, and you can find articles related to questions that you might have when using Wells Fargo integrated with Zelle. But as long as you are able to find the Send Money with Zelle option inside of the Wells Fargo mobile app, you will be able to send and request money as necessary. Go into the preferences if needed, but as long as you are able to include valid information about any contacts that you have, you will be able to use Wells Fargo to transfer money with Zelle. Make sure that you do this process through the app and that you are verified and signed in. If you encounter any issues, you can either talk to the Wells Fargo customer support or try to do this process through the Zelle app itself that you can also find on the Play Store or the App Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Wells Fargo to Zelle. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.